Getting ripped off by your co-writers or even your producer is very possible. That's why you need a written split sheet. The first step is just adding the title to the song. So if you have a song called Complete, just type that in. The second step includes adding the writers to the song. So if you have two writers, John Doe and Jane Doe, just go ahead and type that in. In step 3, you just want to include the writer's publishing company's names. So if one writer is Mistra and the other is Smile Music, just go ahead and type that in. The fourth step includes actually the splits to the songs. So if one writer has 60% and the other one has 40, just go ahead and type that in. Want to know more about song splits? I have 2 videos about that right here on this channel. Moving on to step number 5, you want to include your PRO or Performing Rights Organization, which is typically ASCAP or BMI. So if one writer is with ASCAP and the other is BMI, go ahead and type that in. Step number 6 includes adding your IPI number. So if one writer has a 9-digit code with ASCAP and the other writer has a 9-digit code with BMI, just go ahead and type in those codes. All right, so now moving on to step number 7, you want to write what the first use of this song is intended for. So if the first use of this song is intended for use on John Doe's debut studio recording, for example, go ahead and just type that in. Step number 8 is simple. You just go ahead and sign the agreement. Step number 9 is also simple. You just put your phone number and email. And step number 10 is simple. You just date it. Now make sure that everybody has a copy and just put it away for a rainy day. 2 of the best books on the music industry are available on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications to the channel as well so you can get alerted of new videos. Peace.